We're going to pair two effective mindfulness practices to give your central nervous system a break. Breathing and directed doodling, finding a flow. Simply begin with 2 easy cycles of breath, starting to release any tension as you exhale and to settle. Noticing your breath, your steady ally. And taking your paper and marker, allow your breath to lead your line. Noticing the rate of your movement on the paper is set by the rate of your breathing. And now see if you can connect your marker with your breath. Placing your marker at your starting point on the paper, see if you can use one inhalation to repeat the entire shape, then one exhalation as you again repeat the shape. Notice lengthening your inhalation and maybe even pausing your breath as you complete the entire shape. Then exhale as you trace the entire figure once more. And try this again. Inhale as long as comfortable while you trace the whole figure once, perhaps pausing your breath when full. Then a releasing exhale while you complete the next entire shape. Take a moment to notice how you feel. And now you may want to change markers and maybe switch directions or orientation of your paper. This time, inhale all the way to the top of one side of the figure, then exhale all the way down and around as you complete the shape. Again, inhale all the way to the top of one side of the figure, then exhale all the way down and around as you complete the shape. And notice what you notice. For this last example, you may want to change markers and then choose the orientation of your paper. This time, inhale for the first loop of the figure, then exhale on the second loop of the figure. 2 more times. Inhale as you track the first loop, and exhale as you track the second loop. You may want to alter your rate of breathing and notice how that feels. And now it's time for you to choose your breathing pattern and enjoy the freedom of your breath. Find your flow.